Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cup of hot chocolate? Well, let's get started. These are the colors that I will be using, but you can use whatever colors you like. All right, so we're gonna start off by drawing an oval shape, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw two lines down. So here's one line, here's the other one, and then we're gonna curve it to attach. So it's sort of like a cylinder shape, okay? And for the handle, we're gonna do a backwards letter C and another backwards letter C, okay? So because there's hot chocolate in it, we can just draw a line showing that there's hot chocolate in the mug, okay? And we're also going to draw two eyes because it's like a cartoon mug, and a line across here, and then we can just shade in the little pupil just like that. Okay, three little lashes, a little eyebrow, and a nice smile. Okay, I'm also going to add a little heart. There we go. Now to make it look like it's steaming hot, we can just draw little zigzag lines going up. Okay, all right, so I'm going to color in the hot chocolate so it'll be in the inside. All right, so it was first made by the Mayan people about 2,000 years ago. So chocolate is made from cocoa, the cocoa bean. And Sir Hans Sloane, he was an English physician in the 17th century. He brought a recipe for mixing chocolate with milk from Jamaica to Europe. So he combined chocolate with milk and sugar. Okay. All right, so I'm going to color in our little hearts here. And I'm going to use pink for the little cheeks. And for my mug, I'm going to color it in purple. So I'm just going to go around it just like this. And also here at the top. So before I go, I have a cute joke to share with you. So what do you call hot chocolate that goes to school? A Cocoa-cademy student. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.